All right, I'm going to quickly go over some integrations and plugins. So a lot of people say, oh, it's pretty limited when it comes to third-party integrations. And I think in HubSpot, there are lots of integrations because it is a platform, it is open. If there isn't a plugin, well, when I say a plugin, if there isn't a connector, generally you can build it using the API. Same thing in WordPress. Generally there are plugins and then people can build things that talk to WordPress. All right. What happens when you're missing integrations, Craig?
Look, I will call out, I think there are some things missing from HubSpot. The one that comes up all the time for us is Instagram. I just want to integrate Instagram feed into my site. Look, there's nothing out of the box in HubSpot to do that. There's various reasons I won't go into, related to how the Instagram API needs an interim kind of server kind of thing. We do use a third-party tool for that. We've actually got a whole blog post about how we integrate HubSpot into with Instagram, but it's not out of the box, and that's something that WordPress will have, just to be fair. And I think there's some of those things. Oh, I want to pull in a feed from whatever, X or Instagram or some other social thing. Or I think WordPress has that all covered. And so there are some limitations there in HubSpot, just to be clear. Have they been problems for our clients? I don't think it's very rare that that's a showstopper, but look, just something to be aware of.
And then the other things that you might want to think about is when it comes to CRM, marketing tools and payments, HubSpot has a lot of that built in now. And WordPress, again, you can integrate Stripe, WooCommerce, HubSpot, MailChimp, whatever you're using. They generally have good integrations through plugins inside WordPress.